following is a presentation brought to you by the Vancouver R&D office regarding the BriteSpot HMI features. In this, we will cover the addition of the alarm handler and how to use it. It will display the changes in Celsius to Fahrenheit. We will discuss the displaying of multiple trend lines. We will also discuss the ability to take one sample for up to a year. Finally, we will discuss the displaying of the units in the live temperature view and the trend graph.
This will reflect the City of Denton job, so we have the 6 units. And I'll talk a little bit more about the feedback that was given from the last update. Here we added an alarm handler, so you could see the alarm is showing there, and I just heated up a probe. So let's go to the alarm page. Here we can see that we have a normal alarm, which means that it's cleared, and active alarms. You can acknowledge the alarms, and then it will reflect on the little alarm display here. You can clear all the normal alarms so that they're not clogging up messages, and you can also filter if you want to see specific types of alarms. So we'll wait for that temperature to go back down to normal while I talk about the other things. So we added the degrees Fahrenheit being shown on the readings, as well as changed it to Fahrenheit, and the full section view. So now you should be able to tell if one of the channels is going up. You should be able to see it on the section trend graph. It's also logging at 1 hour rate, which will be able to log for 1 year, and you can select the time that you want. So this is over 4 days or so. There is also the internal logging still available, where you can go and plug in your USB and click the save button. It's a little bit cleaned up, so some of the features, so you can see this is in a warning state right now, and we can see that the alarm has been reset. You can just clear that. So all the features are still implemented. So you got this thing acting as TCP master and slave. Master, so it can read from the G3 the temperatures and fiber powers from the G3 devices, and slave going into the user's HMI or computer or system, SCADA system. And we do have logging, which should be it should be for 25 years or so. It's a large enough memory stick that memory isn't an issue, and you can just go download it using the USB stick and then pressing that save button. Everything's being cleaned up, meaning that there's no debug things. This is what the customer will be getting and will be seeing. This is the kind of the update presentation. We will be providing more information on how to customize features for different jobs, such as changing the views of the sections and certain names and different values and whatnot here. Hopefully that's good.